Whoa, we got another package? All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have a book delivery from FRIESENS. And this is something I actually ordered several months ago and actually had arrived several months ago. And we're just playing catch up here. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is the back side of the book. And they did provide a whole bunch of other extra padding so you wouldn't cut through. And I do have a packing slip here. This is actually edition 2 of, you can see here, Max Webster High Class. So if you know the song High Class and Borrowed Shoes, but this is kind of the second edition of the Definitive History, Bob Wegner, forward by Ron Sexsmith. Let's take a look on the edge here. And again, the back cover. So you can see it is soft, but it does have that dust cover style with a fold out. A little bit of a intro flap there, as well as a closing flap there. Lots of pictures. So those familiar with the band Max Webster, this is pretty much a very large historical outlay of items from the Max Webster history, as you can see here, from 73 to 81. And then they went separate ways to further, the members went to further success. So, but in that time frame was when Max Webster was in full action, as you can see here, and a lot of photographs and text, etc. But just doing a very quick unboxing of a book here. Having a cool little light effect. Max Webster High Class, but this is edition number 2. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out our unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review meter reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.